Congratulations.
Yes!
Mendoza John Michael V. The Truths. Alexandra
Gusto ko na po concentrate.
Joshua M.
Graduation day. I can realize. So, anong ganap natin, Mare?
Dapat ma-highlights ako dyan.
We're the pledge. Ang magpaprocession na kami.
Dapat highlights ako dyan. May outstanding ako ngayon. 2 awards ko ngayon. 2 kaya na. Hindi. Communication at saka science.
Valuable summer.
Sana medal na yung outstanding. Laging certificate.
Certificate.
That shows up in the cultural, societal, and academic standards in the process of Christ and her life is able to produce mature citizens that have met their full academic potentials and lead successful lives.
In the band of peace. Truly, when our learners grow in faith, wisdom, and unity, they become instruments of peace and pillars of hope for the future, building the hope of tomorrow today.
Thank you for that heartfelt message, Ma'am Peggy. Truly, more than the intellectual growth, the growth in the spirit and faith are much needed for our brighter future. Now, to deliver the message to the graduates, here are Princess Kate Garcia and Jeremy E. Rivera reading on behalf of Attorney Alberto E. Escobarte, Celso II, and Senator Juan Edgardo Sani Angara, Secretary of the Department of Education.
Dear graduates and completers of batch 2024 to 2025, I want to take a moment to personally congratulate each of you on this momentous occasion as you stand at the threshold of a new chapter in your lives. Unity, partner for the new Philippines, could not be more fitting as this would be essential as you step out into the world ready to make your mark. You will always be connected to this community as you pursue your dreams. I would also like to take this opportunity to let us build a new Philippines, one that thrives on unity, inclusivity, and collective effort, change. And I believe we continue to pursue excellence and
Madahan to magsalita eh.
As we close school year 2024 to 2025, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our leaders, teachers, school staffs, parents, and partners who are part of this shared
Oh,
journey.
madam.
This year's theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay ng Bagong Pilipinas, underscores our collective effort in strengthening our education system. Accelerate digitalization, our goal is not just about an uptick in numbers. Our use of perseverance,
Preach ng Mare. Okay lang yan.
and compassion that
Hindi
define
mo kami
us
in-update, may paruvil ka pala, Mars.
as we move forward.
Oo.
And under the administration
Roxy and
of Ferdinand
Okay lang yan,
R.
go.
Marcos Jr., education system for the generations to come.
Let's proceed to the one of the most awaited parts of our program, the presentation and confirmation of our graduates.
All in all, we have 40 candidates for completion and 119 graduating students for the school year 2024-2025.
Ililipat na namin sa ride.
As the president of the Education School, I hereby declare these 40 students completers and 119 students
lahat na.
graduates. Congratulations.
Yeah! naka-enroll ka na? To saan ka papasok sa college?
So, from research dependent to thesis dependent.
Principal and school coordinators, Reverend Ibrahim S. Camacho and Miss Joel B. Camacho.
Alam niyo, minsan nagkakamali po tayo. Akala po natin, pagkasalit na nasunog na natin, nadala na natin sila sa mga mamahaling eskwelahan, ay sapat na para sila may makapagtapos at para po sila ay magkaroon ng magandang tuntunan sa kanilang pagtatagumpay sa buhay nito. Natunaw na naman na ang sabi niya sa akin, nagsasakal bibili yung $180,000. Hindi makasumpong ng lingap. Gusto mo
Video to,
makasumpong
Mare.
ng lingap ng pagmamahal.
Ay, si Kumare ko tulog hanggang graduation. Gusto ko na concentrate siya. Mare, ano na? Mga Mars.
Hindi lamang ng pagmamahal
Lala.
ng Diyos, kundi pagmamahal ng tao. Mabuting tao doon sa krus ng Kalbaryo para maging kabayaran ng ating kaluluwa. Diyos lamang po ang walang hanggan. Ibig sabihin, kapag tayo po lumisan sa buhay nito, ay meron po tayong pupuntahan na walang hanggan at yun po yung ang Diyos.
Typical na pagiging Pilipino, yung graduation pero sobrang init. Nararamdaman yung init ng kapaligiran. Ang init, Mare.
Wala pa kasing aircon.
Wala, zero po, iniwanan po.
Honors, Althea de Nosta. Graduation ng mga Mare.
To present to you the awardees from grade 10 level.
Hi guys. Hello, video.
Hello.
Gamboa Amanda Lorena G. We honors.
Pangrawang Nathan Junior B. with honors. He is also a recipient of outstanding performance in mathematics. Mendoza John Michael V. with honors. Ona Lawrence Jordan D.
Video ka yan?
Ramos Sandy Liel D. with honors.
Ella. Go, Ella.
Go on. Nasa si Ona.
I believe this momentous day is not only one of eager anticipation. Take a moment to ask yourself, how did you end up here? Maybe you transferred here from another school, searching for a fresh start. It felt like family. BCS felt like family. Filled with prayers that we didn't even know how to say, only tears to offer. And there were days when we looked up, whispering, Lord, please give me strength and help me get through all of this. If you had told me 2 years ago that I would be standing here representing the graduates of the school year 2024 to 2025, delivering this speech, I wouldn't have believed you. And even now, I still go back regularly. At this point, but let me remind you, we should not fear. Because the Lord has already laid out a perfect plan for us. And guess what? This is just the beginning. And as I close my speech today, I want to say this, that life will get harder. We will doubt ourselves. We will question ourselves. But that's okay. Because through it all, the most important thing is we must never lose our faith in Him. Forget this time.
When we
This
meet
time
again.
when we were young. When we were
Thank you,
heartfelt message. It truly resonated within our hearts.
Congrats, Ella.
May we call on the class advisors to facilitate the awarding.
Graduation song na after nito. Until we meet again, Steph. Until we meet again. May short film pa tayo, te. Hindi kayo magagaganyan sa akin. Ay, walang iiyak ka. Kikita pa tayo. Ay, hindi sumipot si Bako. Piling ko iyak na ako.
For the conferring of certificates for graded students, it's my honor to present to you the completers. Ada Fitzroy Mario.
Ito na tayo. Mga picture. Picture later. Picture. Anak kumare ko. Ang kumare kong hilaw. Kumare ko. Face card. Love it. Mara.
Aysen Johan C.
Ang ganda ni Aysen sa ano. Ang kumare kong hilaw.
And Persicula Shane B. Conferring the grant certificate.
Ang kumare kong hilaw.
Kalabon, Samuel B.
Recta color ng care after grad.
Zion
Happy
B.
birthday, baby boy.
Manalo, Peter Jansen
Kumare kong
B.
hilaw.
Nang Nathaniel J1C.
Yay!
Blasso, Vince Jacob B. Trent C.
Yes! Ay!
Rivera, Jeremy E.
Kumare kong hilaw.
Juanitas Chelsea Yu. It is my honor to present to you the graduates from Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. Dr. Joshua M. Chi B. Badinas John Lamore. Mendoza John Michael V. Ona Lawrence Zorhal D. Ramirez John Ray Ezekiel C.
So I received my diploma. Nakabahan ako. Oy! Okay naman. Sorry, nakaduyin me. Nakaduyin makeup si ate. Tinan mo man.
Orsigan Alexandra M.
Nakaduyin siya. Latina. Can I see yours? Oh my God. It looks good. Can I see yours? Can I see yours? Yeah, it looks good. Can I see yours? Oh, ito buko? Oo, kakatatay din. Tatay dito. Dali yan. Hindi ako sanay. Ha? Hindi ako sanay. Pero puros dito. Hindi ako matulog. Final song na ang mga mare. Wala kamukha mo, tita. Ay!
Madam, huwag kang iiyak. Nakakahawa ang luha.
Madam, eksena.
Yes! Madam, success.
Success.